Welcome back. In this section, we're going to make use of a 1D CNN to classify sentences. Let's recall that in a 2D CNN, which is applied to images, you have a kernel and a filter with two dimensions, a width and a height, which you slide across an image. When you look at a sentence, it's read in one direction. As a result, it's constrained in one dimension. This constraint makes it possible to apply a 1D CNN to a body of the text. Let's go to our notebook and look at some code. First, we need to ensure that TensorFlow is installed. In this notebook, we're making use of a version of TensorFlow that's compiled for GPUs. You could choose to work with a GPU by going to your runtime menu. Also note that we downgraded the version of NumPy that we have running. After installing new packages, you might need to restart your runtime. Afterwards, let's go ahead and install the needed modules. We also need to import the IMDb dataset. Our dictionary size is 20,000. We'll split our data into training and validation. We'll also set a dimension of 16 for our embedding. Let's go ahead and define our model. We'll have our model up on the screen. You could go ahead and change any settings to see how that affects your final model. Doing that is called hyperparameter tuning. Notice the final layer. It's a dense layer with sigmoid activation. This lets us classify sentiments into positive and negative. We'll go ahead and take a look at our model summary. Let's see how well this model performs after training. After training for 10 epochs, we get an accuracy of 99.5%. And our accuracy goes down from 49% in the first epoch to 2.5% in the final epoch. Feel free to play around with the parameters and see what you get. Next video, we'll look at another type of convolution,